Now today topic is refractive index. How we will define this refractive index with respect to velocity. Otherwise there are different way to define this refractive index. As we will move in this chapter, we will get so many definition of the refractive index. But now I will explain how to explain refractive index on the basis of velocity of light in different medium. According to that, refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium is the ratio of velocity of light in first medium upon velocity of light in second medium. So in basic definition, we will take refractive index of medium with respect to air or vacuum. So velocity of light in air upon velocity of light in medium. For example, light ray comes from air to glass. So we will define the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Be careful, refractive index always of that medium in which refracted ray will lie. So here we will find out the refractive index of glass with respect to air, velocity in air upon velocity in glass. So you know velocity of light in air 3 into 10 raised to power 8, velocity of light in glass 2 into 10 raised to power 8, net result 3 upon 2 is equal to 1.5. Same way, if light rays travels from air to water, so we will find out the refractive index of water with respect to air. So velocity of light in air upon velocity of light in water. So you know velocity of light in air 3 into 10 raised to power 8, whereas velocity of light in water 2.25 into 10 raised to power 8. We will solve it and we will get the answer. This will come as 4 upon 3, 1.3. So in this way we will find out the refractive index of one medium with respect to the other medium. Next, I will explain factor affecting refractive index, factors on which factor it depends. So first factor, that is the material. So topic is factors affecting refractive index. You know symbol of refractive index is mu. So first factor, nature of the medium. Nature of medium. So as I already explained, if light ray travels from air to glass, refractive index 1.5. If light ray travels from air to water, refractive index 1.3. So in this way, if material will change, then refractive index will also change. So wholly and solely refractive index depends upon the nature of the medium. Second, temperature of the medium. So as we know, temperature increase, speed of light will increase. But refractive index decrease. See here how. We have seen that velocity of light in glass 2 into 10 raised to power 8, whereas velocity of light in water 2.25 into 10 raised to power 8. Here velocity more, but refractive index less. Velocity less, refractive index more. In this way, refractive index depends upon the temperature of the medium. As temperature increase, velocity of light will also increase. As a result, refractive index will decrease. Third factor is the wavelength. Wavelength of light. Wavelength of light. For this wavelength, we will move towards the Vibgyor. Remember something? Rainbow. You know what's the VIBGYOR? You have studied in earlier classes. VIBGYOR is the 7 color band spectrum which contains in a white light. You know V for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. I concentrate on the extremes. So you know violet wavelength 4000 angstrom, whereas red 8000 angstrom. So as we move from violet to red, wavelength increase, speed will also increase. But you know what is the factor of the speed? If speed increase, then refractive index decrease. In short, wavelength of violet is least. So velocity of violet is also least, but as a result, refractive index is maximum. So reverse of this in case of red, wavelength maximum, velocity maximum, as a result refractive index minimum. So that's why violet light is deviated most, whereas red light deviated least. This is all about the factors affecting refractive index.